Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pay Skyro using GCash QR. So the very first thing that you have to do is to open your Skyro and then tap on the block with your loan. So from here, you will see it in here. So you click on this due date and then make a payment now. So click on that and then tap here the make a payment. Next is to choose how you want to pay and then follow the on-screen instructions. So from here, you will see here the GCash and also the Maya. So you click on the e-wallet and then from there, they will give you a QR code that you can scan from your GCash. So once you're done with that, you go ahead and open your GCash. Now, once you're in your GCash, you click on this QR at the bottom. And then from here, you have the option to generate and upload. So you click on upload, or you can also directly just scan the QR code from the Skyro QR. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!